Hello everyone, now we are going to explore this distance pendulum and learn about the relationship between the length of the pendulum and time period. So, first let's understand what a pendulum is. A pendulum is an object that is attached to a fixed point, hangs freely and moves back and forth due to gravity. Here, distance refers the length of the string from the fixed point to the center of the bob and is usually called as the length of the pendulum. This length of pendulum affects the time taken to complete one swing, and this time is called as time period, which is defined as t is equal to 2 pi under root L by g, where L represents the length of the pendulum and g represents the gravity. As the distance increases, the time period increases, which means longer length takes more time per swing and shorter length takes less time per swing. So, longer pendulum swings slowly and shorter pendulums swing faster. The mass of the bob does not affect the time period, only the length of the pendulum and gravity affects the time period of the pendulum. Here, we have three pendulums of the same mass and different lengths, so it will have different time period. I'm going to move it at the same time, and we can see the longer pendulum takes more time per swing and shorter pendulums take less time per swings. Thank you.